Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, me and my brother are exploring Sloss Furnace, National Historical Landmark in Birmingham. This is right down the road from kind of where we live, about 30 minutes away. And actually kind of funny because my dad actually works at another cast iron company that, you know, still runs, but not like how this one is. It's like kind of, it's not in use anymore. But we just exited the visitor center and we kind of learned a little bit about like who made it. I don't remember his first name because it was long, but it was like Henry de Bockleton Sloss.
Yeah, it was crazy.
It was a really cool Scottish name.
Henry something Sloss.
Yeah.
He was the wealthiest.
Or, you know, he became one of the wealthiest.
He became the wealthiest something and plantation owner
into the South.
Yeah.
After opening Sloss Furnace.
Yeah.
But yeah, kind of cool. Nothing yet to see. We're about to go into like the main part of Sloss Furnace though, so should be an interesting little video. Kind of different, not normally in the military aspect of history, but still history nonetheless. So we'll kind of go take a look in here. To a testament of how cold it is, there's icicles growing on the old cast iron, or on the
Oh man, look
equipment.
at that. It's like rotting, that pipe. See?
Oh yeah, it is. It's like getting old. I mean, you gotta think how old this place is.
1820 to 1890, I think is what it said.
That's a crazy old furnace, and literally like the stuff that they were handling really could make your stuff deteriorate quickly. Like they had hot coal, you know, iron. Still, it's like it's kind of a, here's some of the furnaces you can see, but it just looks like chaotic in here. Like imagine working in this place when, you know, 2,000 to 4,000 guys are in here shoveling coal. You know, there's molten iron and slag going everywhere. Imagine the injuries that happened in this place. It's crazy. Okay, so this is the stock tunnel. Oh wow, we're going underneath the ground, y'all. So I'm gonna let y'all read if you want to read. You don't have to. You got the box, right? Yeah. But let's keep going down.
Why did we wear shorts?
Yeah, why did we wear shorts? We were freezing, y'all.
Want me to go first?
No, I go first.
Okay.
This is kind of cool.
Oh, that goes down.
This is crazy.
Yeah, like, go right there.
Oh my gosh, it keeps going down, Henry.
Go right here.
What?
You can see
Look,
it goes down to there.
Yeah, I know. Look, there's like a walkway right here. Man, I'm really holding on to my GoPro tight. I don't want to drop it here. Wow. Ooh,
I don't feel safe walking on this.
This is kind of scary, y'all.
Alright, we're gonna go down soon.
Yeah, I was about to say, hold on, wait, we gotta go down more. Oh, there's all kinds of buttons, levers. Nothing works.
I'm gonna fall down this. I feel like I can bet money on it.
Watch your head as a 6'2" individual. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is low. Oh wow, look at there. That's got water. I mean, this is perfect for like, I guess for like a mine. You want natural water. Wow, I mean, y'all can't see all the way down there, but that just keeps going for about half a mile. Yeah, go look down there. Crazy cool. I know this place has like a horror night for Halloween. That
would kind of be scary.
This would be scary on Halloween.
Right.
But the roof is dripping water. All right, time to head back up.
Like, if I was to build a Halloween thingy, this would kind of be like what I'm going for.
Yeah, like this would be, I'd be frightened. All right, on to the next area.
More stuff like that.
We've gone a little off schedule and like off course, but this is underneath like the main, like I don't know how would you call it or what it's named, but this is where they would produce the iron and they'd pull it out of these molds. You can see that's
where we're supposed to come back.
Yeah. Whew. Gotta keep moving, it's cold. But I guess we'll head back downstairs and try to get back on track with the tour. So we're at the water boilers now.
Don't talk, he said.
I did tell my brother not to talk. I didn't think this was the next part. But again, if you want to read it, you can. But this is some crazy stuff right here. Y'all can't just see it, but it is like, I don't know how they designed this. The engineer in me is like cringing at like all the like random pipes spitting out everywhere, but I know like they're there for a purpose. It's just chaos. It's very cool though.
Where is stuff?
And me and my brother are literally in shorts. It's cold. It's literally just a wall of ice.
It feels
So that's where they lock up the kids, Henry.
That's where I would go.
And that's where they send them off to the mines.
I would start talking about Fortnite and they'd be like, nope, you out.
They had, there was no child labor laws when this place was open. So technically, Henry would have been working here as, you're 12?
I'm 12.
Yeah, he'd be either here or like in the coal mines, 100%. Yeah, especially with how well as Birmingham's a very industrial place. Can't look in there, but y'all can. I don't know what y'all saw, but hopefully it's cool. But just a bunch of random spigots and cranks and like places where you could definitely like lose an arm, just kind of everywhere. But we're trying to figure out how to get to the next spot. We really don't know where to go. Oh, there's an inside portion. Hallelujah! Okay, so this is the powerhouse. Henry, does it say this on the map? What would this place be? Just like the generators? The generators? Let's see. Right up here. It also does look like it's holding some modern day equipment for the actual museum, or the historical site, excuse me. Oh wow, that's a big old generator. Oh wow, look at these. Skinner can't.
That one don't go down.
That's fun. Crazy cool stuff. So this is kind of scary, but you know what? This is the place that I kind of stuck y'all into. Oh my gosh. I don't know if we're supposed to be in here.
You definitely are. I'm going up.
No, do not go up there. Don't go up there. No, Henry, don't. Come on. I feel like one of Henry Pagebird, get your butt down. He's such a rebel, John. You're right. You're fair. That's fair. You're good. Crazy cool in here. I don't know who the YouTuber is, but I've seen him a couple times how they explore places. There's people in here. This place is awesome. Okay, we're finally back on track, and we're kind of coming back to where we were, which is fine. But yeah, we're gonna figure out what this is. Excuse me. Wow, that's loud. The highlight is like right behind us, but this is the #1 furnace. So, you know, this is where all your hot stuff is coming out of. Woo, it's a little walk right there.
We got luck.
I don't think so. Oh wait, I think we do. Yeah, no, we go on the staircase. You think?
Staircase or ladder?
I don't know. What's this ladder too, Loki?
Oh, try it. We go.
Oh no, that ain't it.
This is.
Okay, so we got some steel things. Don't know what they'd use those for. I guess those are some of their tools, and some of those are literally just iron. So you kind of imagine like how heavy they had to be and how strong these men were that were in here, like just hurling iron. Yeah, so they would cast it in the stand. and make it into a pig. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, so you see this like kind of funnel? That is where hot iron would come out of, and it would lead it down that path. That is crazy cool. Yeah, I think we're supposed to go this way. We are freezing, y'all. This was a lot of fun and a good stop. So if you're ever bored in Birmingham and you want something to do, come to Sloss Furnace. This is, maybe just come on a warmer day, or if it's gonna be cold, you know, like wear appropriate clothing. Sorry, I thought I saw a coin in the ground. It's just a bottle cap. Because it's very cool. Very cool. We'll have to walk down this rail. So I think these are the sand pits. I'm not really sure. Just kind of random stuff. But I think that's really it. We're gonna head back to the gift shop, and I think we're gonna get on out of here because we are cold, y'all. But that sun does feel good though. Wow, look at all the buckets they had. Okay guys, we were exiting Sloss Furnace. Henry is going over there for some reason. But I think that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a little different, even for me. Just going up some caution tape, no, we're not supposed to. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what y'all thought about it. Soon, tomorrow, I'm going to Chattanooga, and I'm going to do Battle of Chickamauga, Battle Above the Mountain, and then Battle of Missionary Ridge, all in one day. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.